Hey, good morning. My name is Seth. I am a SNA mechanic here in Santa Ana. This video, what we're gonna do is demonstrate a right start on our aircrafts. Pretty much a right start is getting the plane ready 1 hour prior to departure. So I have the checklist in hand here, and I'm just gonna demonstrate pretty much, again, step-by-step information on how to do a right start. All right, here, obviously I'm in the cockpit, and first thing you want to do is we're going to go ahead and power her up by starting the battery number 1.
All unit okay.
And then we'll do the battery number 2, and the warning and oral lights here. Second thing you want to do is on tank number 2 fuel pump that powers the APU, let's go ahead and run that pump. Next step you want to do is make sure you turn your APU on, just the controller. We're not going to start it up yet. Okay, we're going to do a fire test. And just go ahead and acknowledge those caution and warning lights. What I normally do is let it sit for about a couple of seconds so all the avionics and all the softwares will load. Excuse me. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on the APU. What you want to do is grab the knob, pull it, then hold it for 3 seconds on the start position. And if it's a healthy APU, it's going to go ahead and fire up smoothly. We're going to go ahead and let that spool up to 100%. Okay, once that gets utilized, we're going to go ahead and turn the avionics on. Avionic Masters 1 and Avionic Master 2. And all your avionics will turn on. MFD, PFD, ICAS has always been on, but okay, once everything loads up and all your avionics are all powered on, we're going to check the essentials on the display units. So go here and pretty much check your oils. As you can see here, engine 1 has 11 cords, engine 2 has 12 cords, which is according to specs. And we're going to go ahead and check every page to see that everything's meets its limits. Okay, so the cruise oxygen is a little bit under. It's supposed to be at 1600 minimum. Right now you can tell it's at 1510. So we're gonna go ahead and service that on the next video. The next page is your fuel. Tank 1 has 3970. The tank 2 has 4070. So your total tank is 8040. Next page is your hydraulics. System 1, it looks pretty full. System 2 looks full and is both balanced, and you have a pretty good limit and balance hydraulics system. Next page is your electronics. Pretty much here's your generator 1, generator 3, APU. As you can see, the APU is running. It's running at 27.8 volt, 170 amps, and it's powering your 2 batteries, or charging your 2 batteries. Okay, once we check our air and our oils and essentials, next step we want to do is check on our lights, interior and exterior. So we're gonna go ahead and first do the override on the shed bus, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn the emergency light on. The nav's always been on, so that's normal. So let's check out the red, turn on the red beacon, the strobe light, inspection light, the landing gear 1 light, the nose light, landing gear 2 lights, taxi, and logo. Oh, also I checked the dome. That's your dome. Okay, so we're gonna take a step outside and do a walk around and check the all the lights are working properly. All right, quick walk around. We have the landing gear lights on, the inspection lights on. Let's check the nose for your taxi. And they look good. Do a quick walk around. Right hand lights, landing lights is good. Inspection lights is good. Your strobes are good. Your nav is good. And your strobe. We're gonna walk back to the APUs and get down here. As you can see, the strobe is on and the tail there, tail zoom. And also the nav is on. Going under here, I want to like to check the cargo lights, exterior cargo light by doing this, pressing this vent panel. As you can see, it turns on. We're going to check the left wing strobe and nav, and it's good. And again, inspection light and landing light looks good. Okay, once we check our exterior light, let's check the interior light. Again, emergency's light is armed. Do a walk in the cabin and turn on the cabin light. You can go ahead and turn on the lights from the FA panel here. And your ceiling lights are good and your wall lights are good. We're gonna walk to the back, check the lab. Make sure that's good, the lights as well, and the flush. The lights are good. And what we do one flush with blue juice and check your potable water. Potable water is low, so that's going to need to be serviced as well. And now we're going to check the CD player, make sure that's operable, and make sure the PA system is working properly. That's your, I'm not going to demonstrate it, but make sure that turns on, plays, and you can hear it throughout the cabin. And also your PA here. Pick that up, press the PA button, and just do a check call. Mic check, mic check. Sounds good. So pretty much that's how you do a right start.